All right, this is a 3033R John Deere, of course. It's all green. And here's what we got. All right, so the shaft is marred, and there is a sleeve that they have on there in case it does wear out to protect the shaft from the seal. Well, in order to get that sleeve out, I'm going to have to actually die on it and pull it off that way. However, I don't want to risk any shavings, and the bearing actually feels loose in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up removing that. It's called a mid PTO, okay? And to remove that, I'll need to, already got the case strained. I'll be removing the rear cover, rear PTO, and taking out the gears out the back so that mid PTO can slide out of the case, and I'll show you why. All right, now that the gears are all pulled out and the cover's off, we'll slide that shaft out and then pull the mid PTO out. All right, so this just slides in there, and I thought the camera was on, but it wasn't. So at any rate, this is what holds the mid PTO in place. Unfortunately, you have to do that to take the mid PTO off, which it's not a complete hassle, but I mean, you got to expose everything and tear it down, and it's just time consuming, which in all reality, it's probably maybe 5 minutes to get the cover off, but that's where we're at. Now I just go around here. All right, so I know it's not the perfect angle, but camera's out of my way. I mean, these are nice, but you know, sometimes you can come up with a better idea. Probably just end up replacing this as well. Just kind of work your screwdriver in there, wiggle it. It's nothing but a big seal. There you go. Big plug. Of course, you got your snap ring. All right, so after you get this out, of course, I mean, why would they make it easy, right? So come off the other side, maybe? Yahtzee! I saw where it landed, luckily. All right, so what you didn't see was I had to press the shaft out, okay, because the bearing's pressed down here. Do not press this side out where it has the stamps. Press that side off without the stamp. And then, of course, you got your gear. Just presses on there. See how it's not sliding? It's just a very light press fit. You can take a little hammer like this and tap it. Just be careful not to gouge the gear. And then what you can do when that's out of the way, bam! There you go. And now we have to replace the sleeve. So I'll order a sleeve, I'll order a seal. I'm going to get the rear PTO shaft seal. I might as well just replace all the seals and gaskets. So there you go. 3033R, John Deere. Hands are all oily. So that's basically it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Unfortunately, you have to take out the back, but as you can see, it's not really a big deal. John Deere actually made it easy for you. So till next time, I'm gonna order parts, and whenever they get here, if I got time, I'll do an installation video. If I don't have time, just reverse the procedure. Sorry guys, but I'm really busy this time of year, and I'm really up against it. So, and with the No Name Nationals coming up, I have a lot to do. I have a lot to get done. I'm really seriously debating whether just throwing a distributor in there and a carburetor just to get it running and fired up, just so I can hear the engine run, get a little motivation. But anyways, till next time.